coming to SHW live for a student is probably like the best show on the agenda that we've got all year. I mean, it's a no-brainer. We've got the best speakers, we've got the best agenda, you've got an amazing turnout of delegates. I mean, it's an absolute joy to be involved and partner with the event.
And it's just really good to look around and put what I do in context and think about things a little bit more broadly. So yeah, no, I do enjoy coming to these and talking to people. HSC is really keen to hear what stakeholders' experiences are so that we can provide the information that stakeholders need, and these sorts of events are really important for that level of engagement.
You've got to touch and feel the quality of the leather and you say, okay, you can feel the quality as soon as you get hold of it.
There's very structured conversations and appointments already made. So it's been valuable. Almost everyone that's come to the stand has led to potential inquiry.
One of the biggest ones is our vending machine, that's over there, and it's been a really successful part of the stand, where people are coming up and really investing time to find out exactly what our vending offer is about.